Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a summer day in my life. Today is actually a Tuesday. I look crazy, but why do I like it? It's 10:06 right now. One of my videos actually it's Monday. Wow. Whenever it's summer, I have no concept of time, no concept of when anything is. Why do I still feel like it's Tuesday though? Anyways, it's 10:07 now. I just uploaded my video. It was my morning routine. I will link it down below if you guys want to watch it. But whenever I upload videos, I like to respond to comments for the very first hour, all throughout the day. That's all I do. It's my favorite thing. But I always make sure to respond to comments for the first hour. It's just so fun for me. But I don't know, I thought today would be a fun day to vlog. I wasn't planning on it, and then I was like, I have stuff to do. Why not bring my friends? I already worked out today. If you guys don't know, I used to go to a personal trainer. I didn't realize how expensive it was until I was comparing it to my friends who have personal trainers, and I was like, what? Why is mine so much more expensive? I dropped that personal trainer respectfully. Then I was like, okay, I want to go to this other one that my friend goes to. So I went this morning for the first time. It was like a free session. I died. R.I.P. me, I died dead, kind of died. There was another girl that was doing it and she was thriving. She didn't even like break a sweat. I was like, I really struggled. I remember when I first started my other trainer, I also felt this way. So I'm like, maybe it's just, I haven't worked out in like 2 months, okay? I thought I was gonna faint. I thought I was gonna throw up. I literally, everything was moving. It was so hard. And when I was driving home, I kept trying to convince myself to go back. But then I was also like, don't want to. That was so embarrassing. It was just quite embarrassing, honestly. You have to start somewhere, but that was a really embarrassing starting point. I have a lot of really fun things to do today. I think that I wanna get food, or not get food, but make food. Also, I remembered something that I think is convincing me to go back to this trainer. It was like a group training and there's only one other girl and me, but she had abs, like visible abs, and she was like, yeah, I didn't have these abs before I started coming here. So I was like, I don't want to go back because it was embarrassing. I never want to show my face there again because I'm so embarrassed, but I want abs. I just ate breakfast and then our leasing office opened and I had a package, but then I also had to drop off a check because my parking pass didn't cover this summer. I don't know, it was so stupid. I was annoyed. And then I was just standing there forever because you're not allowed inside the leasing office because COVID. You're just allowed to stand behind the door. And I was just standing there forever, and then I looked at the front desk guy and I was like, is anyone in there? And he was like, yeah, just go in. And I was like, okay. And then they were just like gossiping. Like, I was like, what? I got a package. I know exactly what's in here, and this is such big packaging for it. My wallet is falling apart. See? And I needed a new one, so I ordered one on Amazon because I was afraid that it was just going to like break on me and I was gonna either lose my keys or my like credit card. My scissors dropped. Oh, and then my package dropped. Unboxing. I'll link it down below. I have lots of things to link, but oh, it's cute. A little guy that I can put my cards and stuff in. That's fun. Now I need to get ready, and I don't want to do it, but I have to because I have an errand that I need to run. You know when you have an outfit and it's so cute in your head and then you put it on and you're like, that's what this outfit is. It's a no. It's a no, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Okay, this, not that great, but better. Better than what we had before. What do we think? I don't know. Well, no. The day has really gone away from me. It's almost noon. It's 11:41 right now. Our first errand of the day, we are going to the bank. Do you know that TikTok sounds like, I work at the bank? You know what yeah, anyway, that was stuck in my head. I feel like this outfit is inappropriate for the bank. Oh my gosh, now I'm embarrassed. I have to do a wire transfer, and I've never done one before, so big girl thinks we're learning how to do things. I thought I could do it online. Apparently I can. Apparently that's not a thing that you can do online, so I guess I have to go in. I hate having to do stuff like this. I don't know. I always get really anxious around people. I feel like I'm gonna, and especially because I don't know what I'm doing. A little stresso espresso. Let's find the closest bank near me. You're telling me the closest bank is 5 miles away from me? This is outrageous. Yeah, we're going to the bank. Going to the bank was the biggest hot mess ever. I have never done a wire transfer, as we've been over. The girl at the bank seems like she's never done one either. I'm sure she had, but she was so confused. She did great. She was so lost, and I was so lost, and like she was like asking me these questions, and I was like, I don't know. Does it look like I know anything about anything? No, I know nothing. 2 brain cells. 2. Wait, that's 4. 2. So yeah, that was a mess. I really hope that it went to the right person because I'm afraid that it's not. The reason I was wire transferring something. Well, actually, you're not gonna know that. But I got an email about the thing that was wire transferring. Ah, it was amazing. It was incredible. I am so pumped, so happy. Yeah, I was in a really bad mood because someone sent me a really mean DM saying the reasons why they hate me. I was feeling a little down, but now I'm right back up here. I feel so good. Very exciting things. I'm in a really good mood now. Not so much before, but now I am. Yeah, I don't really have much plans for the day other than that I literally had to run 2 errands and that was it. I'm kind of toying with the idea of something. So I have this friend who's like literally incredible and she's out of town for summer and she sent me these disposable photos that we have of us and they were so cute and I kind of wanted to like send her a letter with like photos in them, but then I was like, wait, she already has the photos because she printed the disposables out. Like, do I send her a letter with no photo in it? I don't know if that's weird. I kind of want to put something in it, but I don't know what I want to put in it. So I'm like toying with the idea of it, but I'm not really sure what I want to do. I don't know. Oh my gosh, what if I do a Procreate thing? Yeah, I could draw us and send it to her. Okay, that's what I think I'm gonna do. Yeah, figured it out. I got trapped. I'm watching a personality analyst reacting to Taylor Swift. Literally, how do I see a Taylor Swift video and not watch it and just not watch it? How? So I can't show this to you guys yet. It's something. I'm sure you guys are not dumb and you know exactly what it is. I did some stuff that I can't show you, but I did do some work stuff. I have changed into pajamas and what I think that I want to do for the rest of today is clean up my room. I mean, as you can see, it's not very messy. I mean, there's just like a few things to pick up, but I have quite a bit of laundry that I really need to go through. Like, do you see how much this is? I've really been pushing it off, so I need to do that. I think that for now, I'm just gonna pick up my room. A little deep cleaning action, if you will. What do you guys think about this throw blanket being here? Because normally it's in this corner and it's kind of like angled, but it constantly falls off. Every single time I get in my bed, it just falls on the floor because it's just only on the corner. So do you guys like it like this? I can't tell if I hate it or like it. I don't know. Small little detail, but it makes the world of a difference. I'm trying to think of what else I can clean in the meantime while my clothes are being washed because it's gonna be a while until they're done. So when I was talking about sending the photo to my friend, I thought I'd show you guys because I made it. I was going to do a time lapse, but then I just kind of got on a roll and forgot. I don't know. This is it. This is like a disposable of her and I. This is the original photo. We look so cute here. She looks adorable. And then I created this. I want to mail it to her with like a cute little letter. I think that would be really cute. I like how it turned out. I'm very proud of myself. Does anyone else fill up their water bottle and then ice gets stuck at the bottom and it doesn't float to the top and then you can't put this in? Another thing that I want to do is plan out the rest of this week. Since it's summer, I've been having the hardest time, first off, knowing what day it is. Like in this video earlier, I was like, oh, I thought it was Tuesday. I've also just been having a really hard time sticking to a schedule and to a routine and getting stuff done. I feel like I'm still feeling the symptoms of burnout from this semester. I physically cannot bring myself to do anything at all. I will lay in bed and I'm exhausted from doing this. I've just been feeling still so burnt out even though I have nothing going on. I feel like I'm trying to like recuperate back from that, but I need to get better at sticking to a schedule. Okay, so not only did I plan for this week, I planned for the next month of videos. I'm happy about that. There's a fuzz in my hair. I'm probably gonna end the video here. I hope that you guys liked it. Hopefully I'll have more summer days of my life that actually make sense, that are not so crazy and chaotic and weird. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.